Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I know this isn't my typical CVS video, but I definitely wanted to share it with you. That way, if you have the deal, you can still do it today or be on the lookout for when it comes around next time, because this is an amazing deal. So last night on Instagram, it was starting to be shared, if that makes any sense. It was being shared, there we go. If you save this offer to your PayPal account, you would get $20 off, $20 or more. And then if it was your first time using the pay feature in store with PayPal, you would get an additional $10 back from PayPal if, with CVS. And those two offers were stacking together for people if it was their first time they had done it. So several weeks back, I did a video and I thought that I got the $10 back from PayPal. And I just found out today when I did this deal that I didn't, because I got the $10 back on top of everything. So this ended up being a $22.05 moneymaker, guys. Absolutely insane. And I'm so glad that I got these type of items at CVS today, because it was just amazing. So let me tell you about it a little bit. So I went in store and I did a spend 30, get back $10 in extra bucks. And I was looking around the store to see if I could find anything that I could bulk up my transaction with and get an extra buck back. And this store that I went to, I don't normally go to, and they had tons of mini treats. So I definitely picked up some mini treats. I did have my coupons on me because I was filming for a Walmart video. So my total before coupons was $46.95. I had two $3 off coupons here for the Glucerna, and then I had a 3 off 2 CRT for the Glucerna. I had a $3 off digital coupon for the Tide Pods and a $3 off paper coupon for the Tide Pods. And then I used a $9 beauty buck. That way it wouldn't really count against me if I used an extra buck to lower my out-of-pocket. So then my total after those coupons was $22.95. I needed to be at $20 or more for this to work. So let me show you my receipt here. So here are my paper coupons that I used, my digital Tide Pod coupon, and the 3 off 2 Glucerna CRT. Then I used a beauty buck. So then my total was $22.95. With tax, it was $24.56. As you can see right here, it says PayPal transaction. So since my total was $22.95 or $24.53 with tax, I just tapped on my phone, scan and pay, and then you tap again, show and pay, and then a QR code is generated. When I went to the register, I just said, I would like to pay with PayPal. And she said, okay. I said, I don't think you have to do anything. I think you just scan it and it works fine. And that's what happened. She didn't touch anything. She just, hit total. And then I don't even think she hit a payment method. And then she just did the scanning of the QR code and everything worked out fine. So since I was over the $20 mark, what happened is it registered as, yes, I made a PayPal payment of the $24.53. But then when you look on your PayPal, it doesn't take out $24.53. It only takes out $4.53. And I'll show you in a little thing right here. And then since it was my first time actually paying with PayPal, I got an additional $10 back. But then it gets even better. Since I did a spend 30, get 10 and a buy 2, get 5, I also got back extra bucks. So I got back a $10 extra buck for the spend 30, get 10 and a $5 extra buck for getting the Glucerna mini treats. So my out-of-pocket for this, my true out-of-pocket for this, no extra bucks were used, just a beauty buck, and that does not count, was $2.95. Then I got back another $10 from PayPal. I got a $10 from the spend 30, get 10, and another $5 for the buy 2, get 5. So I think I nailed it, and this makes me so incredibly happy. If you were able to save that offer to your PayPal account, it expires today, so you definitely can go out and do it today, because it worked for me at about 10:30 this morning. So that's all I have. I know it's a different type of video, but it is an amazing scenario that I could not wait to share with you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.